What's going on, guys and gals? Yeah, it's been a hot minute. Got a break in the weather today. No ice, no snow. Wind's blowing just a little. We're out here digging. See what we can find. Got the AT Pro. It'll be on Pro Zero sensitivity all the way up. We'll see what we can pull out of the ground. Stay tuned. Well, second signal is an old railroad spike. Let's keep on beeping. Alright guys, I got some kind of little button here. Let's see what it says. Not sure what that says. You don't tell what that says? Comment down below if y'all know what this says. 'Cause I sure don't. Alright, we'll keep on swinging. Well, I rechecked the hole. Here's another one. This looks like it says the same thing. Well, let me check around this hole. There might be more. Well, y'all, look there. I'll recheck it again, but there's two more buttons. Looks like two button backs. And another little piece of a button. Maybe the shank or something. The latch, the snap. At least this one and this one have writing on it. The same, looks like the same writing as on the other two. I'll check this hole one more time. And then we'll move on to the next. Keep watching, guys. Y'all ain't gonna believe this. This hole just won't stop with these buttons. I got another one. I think this one says something different. It does. Check it out. Casey Jones. Now, me growing up, Casey Jones meant Ninja Turtles. But I guess when this was lost, there was no thing as Ninja Turtles. That's pretty cool. Well, I'll keep on looking around this hole. Heck, we might find the whole daggone set. I can't make this stuff up, y'all. This hole won't quit. I'm gonna fill my box up with just one hole here. It's another one of those, whatever that word is. I'll have to look that up unless one of you guys know. I'll keep on digging. Alright guys, this looks crazy. Got another one. This looks like a... it's getting a light. Hey, it's another Casey Jones. I'll be daggone. Casey Jones. Well, let's see what else this hole's gonna pop out. Tell y'all what. I'm glad I didn't set my butt at home today. I mean, these might not be worth $1 million, but they sure are cool to find because you don't know how old they are. Probably, I'm gonna say 30s, 40s, 50s, somewhere in there. You don't know who wore them, who lost them. You don't know if they worked on the railroad that went through. Nothing. But it sure would be cool to know the whole story. Some stories we'll never know everything about. But it sure is cool to save a little history. Keep it digging. I just got this little hatchet head. That's pretty neat. That's probably the smallest one I've ever found. Of course it's broke, but looks like it's got the little nail puller on the bottom. Oh, that's pretty neat. That ought to clean up nice. Oh, keep it swinging. Y'all knew it was just a matter of time. Mason jar lid. Oh well, it's not broke. I'll keep the porcelain. Keep it digging. What is that? Is that a Rains guide? I went on the buggy, horse and buggy, and the Rains went through it. That's what we'll go with. Rains guide. Keep it digging. Well, thought we had something real good there. It's a hot signal. But it was just a complete ball mason jar lid. Don't look like it's broken. Looks like the whole lid's in good shape. I might keep this whole lid and put it on an old jar. Yeah, keep it swinging. Alright guys, looks like we got our first coin here. Let's see what it is. Well, it's a penny, but is it a wheat penny or a memorial? Oh boy, she's crusty. I can't even tell. I don't know if that says 1919 or my eyes are going bad. I don't know. I'll clean it up when I get home. I'll show you at the end. Sweet. I got a coin. I got this little zipper pull. I don't know if it might have any writing on it or not. Have to clean it up when I get home. I can't see anything on it right now. We'll get her cleaned up. That's pretty cool. I like finding those. That's different. On to the next. Well, here's an unexpected find for today. This little bottle. It says Lucky Tiger Remedy Company, Kansas City, Missouri. Other side says Lucky Tiger for scalp, eczema, and dandruff. I'll be daggone. I don't see a crack in it. Well, you know what that means. That sucker's going to the house. That's awesome. I didn't expect to find a bottle out here. I know I'm getting close to the trash pit because I'm finding a bunch of broken glass and some mason jar lids, but that's awesome. I was thinking like perfume or cologne because it had a little hole in the top. That's awesome there. Hey, let's keep a looking. I've got a lid to, well, part of a lid to something that's been cut. But look here. It's like a little man on it. Ain't that cool? We might just have to clean that up and keep it, even though it's just a piece of trash. I like that little embossing of a man on there. That's pretty cool. Well, let's keep swinging. Well, I ain't sure what this is, guys. It's got a light, or maybe where a latch hooked it, but it looks like a viewing panel or something on the inside. So I don't know if that could have been like a top of a medicine bottle or a makeup compact. It's pretty brittle. Hopefully I can get it home and clean it up and get some words or something off of it. And we'll keep it swinging. I don't know what this little doodad is. Thought it might have been a drawer pull, but it's awful big dang drawer pull. I don't see no threads in it. I don't know. It's got a little ring around the outside of it there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Who knows what it could have been. Well, let's keep on swinging. Well, got me a broken file. We'll dig a few more targets and we'll hike it on out of here. Save some for next time. Keep it digging. And guys, I don't know what this is. It's looks like a piece of lead. I don't know. I don't think it's a bullet though. Let's brush it off and see what we can see. I don't see anything that stands out right now. I want to say that looks like some kind of letter right there. I don't know. We'll have to take it home and clean it up real good. A few more targets, guys, and we out of here. I don't know if y'all can see them, but I got a bunch of turkeys coming at me. They're going up the hill. Ain't that crazy? Oh, there went one clucking. There's another one. Oh, I saw a beard on that one. Might have to come back here turkey hunting this spring. What do y'all think? Do y'all want to see a turkey hunting video this spring? They just keep coming. I don't know how many there are. Y'all probably can't see them because this camera don't zoom in that good. I suck at turkey calling with my mouth too. Alright guys, let's see what the signal is. It's like a whopper of a spoon handle there, y'all. Some kind of handle. Shining up pretty. On to the next. Last signal of the day. Piece of pipe. Or a peace pipe. Whatever. See you at the house, guys. Y'all like that back sticker? Alright, we back home. We'll go over what I got. I'm gonna clean up a little bit of it and probably get pictures at the end. Here's what we got today. About 3-4 hours worth of digging. We got a pile of aluminum scrap, a big piece of steel here, mason jar lids. Mason jar lids for sale. Anybody want mason jar lids? Some rifle casings, pistol casing, another flat piece of metal, washers, a little rolled up piece of wire, some light bulb parts. Not sure what this flaps off of. Piece of steel. That's either a wheel weight or a piece of horseshoe, not sure. The pipe, the railroad spike, the little hatchet, the Rains guide, I think. The file, the little handle, spoon handle, I believe is what that is. That little piece with the little man on it. Got this iron ring. I think this is a piece of a tube like out of a TV or something, or maybe from the railroad, I don't know. That little doodad. Got a lid. I don't know what that says on it. I'll try to see what it says. Looks like a wine bottle lid. And then all the good stuff. Got the penny, we'll get it cleaned up. We got the 2 Casey Jones buttons. This little piece of lead, we'll get it cleaned up. And I'll look up that and try to figure out how to pronounce that. I got several of those. That little doodad, they got the zipper pull. And that's it for today, guys. I got some screws and some nails over here. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little adventure. I was so glad to get back out of the house and get back in the woods. I hope the weather stays decent so I can get out a lot more. But, you know, what can we do? Fishing season will be coming soon, I hope. Get the kayak back in the water. I'm sure y'all know I'll take you along for that ride. But until then, like, subscribe, please. Share it. If you know somebody that's into this kind of stuff, share the video with them. Tell them to subscribe. And there'll be plenty more. But thank you guys. Take care. God bless. And we're gone.